Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfers. So in this video I will show you how to add Google Drive as a local drive in my computer. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. Let's go. Firstly you have to go to one of your browser. So in the search bar you have to search Google Drive download. So click on the first link and click on download drive for desktop. So it is downloading. So I have downloaded the software successfully. Now I will install it. So double click on it. Yes. Click on add an application shortcut to your desktop. Click on install. It will install the software. So click on launch. And this menu will come. Here I have to click on get started. Sign in. To sign in on my main Gmail account. So sign in successful. And this menu will come automatically. Here I have to click on this. Next, open drive. So I have successfully installed the software. Now I will go to my local drive. So as you can see this, I have successfully added my Google Drive as a local drive. So you can see this, I can locally using my Google Drive. These are my data. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.